Hey there team, welcome to Teach Together Try with Mr. Burns. Today we are looking at shapes and I'm testing out a new pen tool, so please do be forgiving. Let's look at this first shape. It is a try, which comes from tres, from the Latin for tres, thank you. And of course, I bet you know this. This is of course a triangle. And of course it comes from the word tres, which is an old language Latin. It means having three. Okay, let's move on. We've got something here called a pentagon. Pentagon, and I bet you can tell me it's got 5 sides, which actually comes from the Greek language originally, penti, which means 5. We've got a quadrilateral, which is any shape with 4 sides here, and that comes from the Latin language, quadrilateral, and let me just write that down for you, quadrilateral. Okay, that's how we do that one. And just so you know, guys, that's any shape with 4 sides. So any old shape that's got 4 sides to it. No, it's a bit harder to do than I thought. Oh well. But any old shape that's got 4 sides to it is indeed a quadrilateral. Yeah, there's a better one. Okay, that's a type of quadrilateral as well. Let's look at this one, hex, which is of course a hexagon, and it comes from the Greek word hex up here, which means 6. Okay, 6-sided shape is a hexagon. Let's look at the octo here, the octagon. I bet you could work out that for me. The octagon. Octo is the Greek language, and it means 8 sides. And if you count those up, it's got 8 sides there. Let's look at this one. Resuming after a little break there. Right, now this is an interesting shape. This one comes from the Latin language nonna, which means 9. Okay, and that is in Latin. And of course, this is actually a 9-sided shape, and we call that a nonagon. A nonagon. If you count that up, it's got 9 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The nonagon. Okay, let's look at the next shape. Dekha. I wonder if you know what Dekha means. Dekha is a Greek word and it means 10. And of course this has got 10 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The decagon. Very interesting shape. 10-sided shape. What about the word circle? Circle is actually a Roman word which means a millstone. And a millstone is something that was used for grinding. A big heavy stone that was used to grind wheat and barley and all sorts of stuff. They'd grind it up. Of course, these days we use the word circle to describe any shape which is, well, a circle. And here's a circle over there for you. The most interesting shape, I think, is this, which is what we call an oval. And an oval actually comes from the word ovum, which means an egg, and it's a Latin word. And you'll know that females actually have eggs in their body, in their ovum. It's a part of their body. And you'll notice the oval does look a lot like an egg. Okay, guys, that's shapes. They're the 2D shapes you're going to need to know for Year 5. If you need to rewatch the video, please do, because I know I went quite quickly. All right, thanks for listening.